Alright, so it's your boy Young HVAC and I'm back with another video and we're gonna jump right into it. I'm here and your boy gotta swap a blower motor. This thing is over amping, it's rated for 5 amps but it's reading 11 amps, so we're gonna have to change it out. But this one's different because we're gonna have to take the top off of the whole unit just to get to the blower compartment. So I'm gonna show you guys the type of stuff that we gotta deal with sometimes. Let's go. Okay, before I get started with this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you're enjoying these videos and you want them to keep coming, I need you guys to subscribe. Comment on them, please. I talk to everybody in the comments, you know. Give me a like if you like it. You know, let me know what I could have done different or anything like that. It's your boy Young HVAC and I do it for my people. That thing's struggling to start right there. Go ahead and check some amps. I'll show you guys. It's reading 12 amps, but that bad boy is rated for only 5. Alright, right there on your data tag, what we got. Indoor fan motor, 5.1 amps. And as I just showed you, that bad boy was reading 12. So it's time to swap it out. Time to swap it out. But the way this blower cage is, we're gonna have to take the top off. We're gonna have to turn this bad boy to a convertible just so we can swap that motor. So me and my boy Brian, we're gonna get straight to it. The inside of a unit. So you can see set screws right there and all around. So this cage has to come straight up. So we had to take the roof off today, my people. So I like to cut the wires kind of closer to the motor and leave them plugged in to where they go so that when you put the new motor in, you won't be confused. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. So if you come back, these are only cut at the motor, so you can see the correspondings are still there. So I know that this is where I need to plug the new motor in, and etc.
careful of you the supply.
This will make it easier for the next person, even though it won't be no next person. Jump R, Y, and G. All right, there you have it. Your boy just changed out a blower motor. Me and Brian, we just got it done. We had to take the whole top off to get this one done. But thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It takes me a long time to edit these videos and to record them. So I hope you guys like it. It's your boy Young HVAC, and today has just started. Let's go.